Hey YouTube, Wolfshy here. Well, I got something to show y'all now. Finally got it out. It needed to start for, haven't started in a while, it needed to started. Well, here it is. My little tractor. Power King. I had this for a while. Yeah, I feel like I want to show it to y'all. A little walk around. Chain. I wrote those on there. Reverse, first, second, and third. I need to rewrite the first and reverse again. It's coming off. This doesn't work. That one broke. And that's the starter. The start doesn't work. I can turn it on and use this. I use that as a starter. The choke, brakes, and the clutch, air filter, exhaust. Look underneath the hood. Here's the gas tank, and here's the motor. And there's all the wires. There's the starter again. Just that little switch I put in. Yeah, when I got it, we have a mess with the carburetor, put things in it, and we cleaned it. That's what I want to call it. Clean it. Here's the front. My dad painted the grill here, the bumper, the rims. And there you go. All gear drive. See, I put this on there. And boy is it windy today. Here she is, folks. My little Power King tractor. Well, beauty. Hope y'all like it. Wolfshy out.